Gorgeous year-round, Lakeview home features tons of natural light and windows throughout, beautiful wood floors, an open floor plan, drop zone, custom closets and pantry with a backyard that offers room for entertainment and relaxation. Inside you will find soaring ceilings that greet you as soon as you walk in and carry through to the living room / two-story great room with a stone fireplace that spans to the ceiling. The primary suite is tucked away, quiet and a true retreat with a large soaking tub, windows and lake view. On the second level you will find a secondary suite complete with a walk-in closet, full bath and linen closet. In addion, you will find another full bath and 3 more bedrooms. One can be the game / flex room, all complete with walk-in closets and more lake views. The garage is oversized and provides a ton of storage. The yard is full of